In this video, let's talk about the breakpoints in Bootstrap. In Bootstrap, it divides the devices into the different category by their width. If our device has width between the 0 pixel to 574 pixel, then this categorizes into the extra small category. And if our device has width between the 575 pixels to 767 pixel, this is actually pixel, okay, then it categorized into the small device and it represent by SM. After that, if our device has width between the 768 pixel to 991 pixel, then this categorized into the medium device and it represents by MD. And if our device has width between the 992 pixel to 1199 pixel, then it categorized into a large device and it represent by LG. And if our device has width between the 1200 pixel to 1399 pixel, then it categorized into extra large, okay, and it simply represent XL. After that, if our device has width that is exactly 1400 pixel or greater than the 1400 pixel, then it categorized into the extra large device, okay, and it represent by XXL. So in this way, you have to understand category of your device. If I want to find out my category of this laptop, then I want to go into the browser and I just want to visit one website. If I go to the browser and if I search what is my viewport, viewport.com, and you can see here this width of my device is 1353 pixel. It means it categorized into the extra large device. So you can see here the different category. It means I got my width as 1353 pixel, and if you see here 1353 pixel means it categorized into the extra large device. And if I want to resize this browser, okay, and if I go into the small device, and now it becomes it is like the small device category. So you have to understand this breakpoints in Bootstrap. If you get any confusion regarding this video, I will explain you in the comment sections, and after this video we'll discuss about the container and then the grid system in Bootstrap and many more to go. So if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you. See you in next video.